like magic, be like fire.
When disaster strikes or the power goes out, the right gadget can make all the difference. From power banks to survival tools, these emergency essentials are built to keep you safe, connected, and prepared. Here are the best emergency gadgets you'll be glad you bought. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 20. Zip tie stitches. Zip tie stitches are an emergency method for closing wounds without needles or staples. Using adhesive strips on both sides of a wound, small adjustable straps pull the skin together for alignment. It's a fast, temporary solution to stop bleeding and reduce infection risk in emergencies. Simple to apply with minimal training, it avoids pain and scarring. However, it's not for routine use, and professional medical help is needed as soon as possible to ensure proper healing and care. Number 19. Wood camp stove. A portable stove that burns wood for fuel, making it perfect for outdoor activities like camping or hiking. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to set up, providing a reliable heat source for cooking and boiling water. With a chimney or vent to control smoke, it's eco-friendly and ideal for off-grid adventures. Perfect for those looking for a practical, sustainable cooking solution in the wild. Number 18. Survival leash. A survival leash is a versatile tool designed for emergencies. It typically features a strong, durable cord or rope that can be used for various survival tasks like securing gear, building shelters, or as a safety tether. It's lightweight, portable, and often includes features like a built-in whistle or fire starter. Ideal for outdoor activities, it ensures that you have essential support when faced with unexpected situations. Number 17. Waterproof matches. These are designed to ignite and burn in harsh conditions, such as rain or strong wind. They feature a specially coated stick that ensures reliable lighting, even in damp or cold environments. These matches are ideal for outdoor survival, camping, or emergency kits, providing a dependable source of fire when other matches fail. Compact and easy to store, they offer peace of mind, ensuring you can start a fire whenever needed, no matter the weather. Number 16. Lifesaber. A portable power supply built for outdoor survival, combining a solar panel, rechargeable battery, and LED flashlight. It recharges during the day using solar energy, providing a consistent power source for small devices like phones. The flashlight offers reliable illumination at night. Designed for rugged conditions, it's perfect for hikers, campers, and survivalists who need light and power in remote areas. Durable, eco-friendly, and versatile, it's a must-have for any outdoor adventure. Number 15. Jump starter. Portable and easy to use, a jump starter delivers a powerful burst of energy to revive a dead vehicle battery without needing another car. It works by sending high current through heavy-duty clamps connected to the battery terminals, quickly starting the engine. Most models use rechargeable lithium-ion or lead-acid batteries and include extra features like USB ports, LED flashlights, and air compressors for added utility. Safety systems such as reverse polarity and short-circuit protection help prevent misuse. Many units recharge via USB or car outlet and stay ready for months in storage. Designed for cars, trucks, and motorcycles, they come in compact sizes that fit easily in a glove box or trunk. Number 14. UCO Titan Stormproof. Built for survival, this emergency fire-starting kit is made to perform when everything else fails. It includes 12 oversized stormproof matches that burn for up to 25 seconds, even in heavy rain, strong wind, or after being fully submerged in water. Each match is over 4 inches long for safe handling and delivers a powerful, reliable flame to ignite wet tinder or emergency fuel. The waterproof, impact-resistant case floats and seals tightly to keep contents dry and ready. 3 replaceable strikers are included to ensure multiple ignitions when it matters most. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in bug-out bags, emergency kits, or glove compartments. When fire is your only lifeline for warmth, cooking, or signaling, this rugged tool gives you a dependable way to stay alive. Trusted by survivalists, it's built to work in the worst moments, not just ideal ones. Number 13. Rhino Ready Companion V2. When disaster strikes, quick access to reliable gear can make all the difference. Designed to support 2 people for 72 hours, this emergency survival system comes packed inside a fire-resistant, waterproof backpack made from military-grade materials. Inside are over 40 essential items stored in 8 color-coded removable pouches, covering first aid, food, water purification, shelter, warmth, tools, lighting, and communication. From a multi-tool and radio to N95 masks and a ferro rod, every piece is selected for practical, real-world use. The pack features a customizable Velcro layout, reinforced exoskeleton, MOLLE webbing, and external lash points for extra gear. Durable yet portable, it weighs just under 20 pounds and is built for fast, efficient movement. Ideal for disasters, evacuations, or roadside emergencies, it's a fully equipped, ready-to-go solution when your safety depends on being prepared. Number 12. Survival Life Tent. Ultralight and compact, this emergency shelter is built for quick protection when the unexpected happens. Made from tear-resistant, waterproof polyethylene with a reflective interior, it helps retain up to 90% of body heat to prevent hypothermia. It fits 2 people and packs down into a small nylon stuff sack, weighing just 8.7 ounces. Setup takes seconds. Just run the included 20-foot paracord through both ends, tie it between trees, and anchor the corners. No poles needed. The shelter also includes a 120 decibel emergency whistle for signaling. Its simple tube design can double as a bivvy, sleeping bag, or reflective blanket in a pinch. Ideal for hikers, survival kits, or car emergencies, it offers fast, reliable protection against wind and rain. Small enough to fit in your pocket, yet strong enough to make a big difference when conditions get tough. Number 11. Car Jack Kit. Critical for roadside emergencies, a spare tire jack is a portable tool designed to lift part of a vehicle so a flat tire can be replaced. Usually made from durable steel or aluminum, it uses either a manual screw mechanism or hydraulic pressure to raise the car. Common types include scissor jacks, which are lightweight and foldable, and bottle jacks, which are compact and powerful, ideal for heavier vehicles. To use, position the jack under the car's lifting point on firm, level ground, then turn or pump the handle until the tire is off the ground. After swapping the tire, slowly lower the vehicle. Many jacks come with safety features like fold-away handles or locks, often included with a lug wrench in a vehicle's emergency kit. They're compact, easy to store, and essential for getting back on the road without outside help. Number 10. Coast XPH30R. Built for durability and high performance, this professional-grade headlamp delivers up to 1,200 lumens in turbo mode, lighting up long distances with ease. It features a rugged aluminum body that's dust-resistant and stormproof, ready for tough outdoor or work conditions. The twist focus system allows quick switching between a wide flood beam and a focused spot beam. Its hinged design lets you angle the light where needed, and the lamp detaches for handheld or magnetic use. Powered by a rechargeable battery with a built-in USB port, it also accepts CR123 lithium batteries as backup. A battery indicator keeps you informed of charge levels. With 4 brightness settings and a secure head strap, it fits comfortably and stays in place. Ideal for emergency kits, construction sites, or night hikes, it combines strong light, flexibility, and rugged construction in one compact tool. Number 9. Silky Pocket Boy 130. Compact and powerful, this folding hand saw features a 130mm high-carbon steel blade with impulse-hardened, chrome-plated teeth that deliver fast, clean cuts on branches up to 65mm thick. Designed with Silky's Mirai tooth technology, it offers smooth performance across green or dry wood, making it ideal for pruning, firewood prep, or outdoor tasks. The blade locks securely in 2 positions, including one for flush cutting. It folds into a lightweight, non-slip rubber handle that provides a secure grip in any condition. Weighing just 170 grams and folding down to 170 millimeters, it fits easily into a backpack or pocket. A clear case with a belt clip adds protection and portability. The replaceable blade option allows switching between coarse or fine tooth patterns. Trusted by campers, gardeners, and survivalists, it delivers precise control and reliable cutting performance in a rugged, pocket-sized form. Number 8. Coalatree Haswell 2.0. Built for bushcraft and survival, this handcrafted fixed-blade knife features a 4-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade with a Scandi grind, ideal for batoning, carving, shaving, and general outdoor tasks. The full-tang design extends through a walnut wood handle, secured with brass rivets that give it a timeless look and reliable grip. Each piece bears subtle hammer marks, highlighting its hand-forged craftsmanship. Measuring 8 inches overall and weighing 14 ounces, it balances control and durability for demanding environments. A premium, vegetable-tanned leather sheath keeps the blade protected and attaches easily to belts or packs. Designed for campers, hunters, and survivalists, it excels in field use while honoring traditional blacksmith methods. With excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, it's a dependable tool built to last and backed by a lifetime warranty. Ready for any outdoor challenge, from camp setup to emergency use. Number 7. Survival Compass with SOS Whistle. In a world where getting lost can be a death sentence, this tool is your lifeline. A durable compass helps you navigate through the wilderness, while the built-in whistle lets you signal for help, cutting through silence with a loud, attention-grabbing sound. Small but powerful, it ensures you don't stay lost for long. With this in your pack, you'll have the ability to find your way and call for rescue, even when everything around you seems hopeless. Number 6. Holtzman's Gorilla Survival Pen Gift Set. Built for real-world emergencies, this compact survival set combines function, durability, and convenience in one sleek package. The centerpiece is a tactical pen made from aircraft-grade aluminum, featuring a tungsten glass breaker, LED flashlight, bubble level, compass, and both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. The kit includes a 30-piece stainless steel survival card packed with essential tools like a knife edge, can opener, saw, fish scaler, and hex wrenches, compact enough to fit in a wallet. A length of strong paracord offers about 12 feet of cordage for shelter building, gear repair, or fishing line. Housed in a durable gift box, every item is rust-resistant and built to withstand tough conditions. Ideal for everyday carry, camping, or roadside emergencies, it's a versatile set made for those who like to stay prepared. Number 5. Multi-Tool Kit. Designed for versatility and convenience, a multi-tool kit combines several essential tools into one compact, folding device. Most kits feature pliers at the core, along with blades, screwdrivers, wire cutters, bottle and can openers, scissors, files, and sometimes a small saw or awl. Built from stainless steel or titanium, they're made to resist rust and endure heavy use. Tools lock into place for safety and fold neatly into a durable handle. Many kits include extra bits, hex wrenches, or fire starters for survival tasks, and come with a sheath or pouch for easy carry on a belt or backpack. Lightweight and portable, they're ideal for quick fixes, camping, minor repairs, or emergency prep. From gear adjustments to everyday tasks, a multi-tool kit keeps reliable, ready-to-use tools within reach, making it a smart addition to any pack or glove box. Number 4. Emergency Gas Mask. When disaster strikes, breathing becomes a life or death matter. This essential tool protects your lungs from harmful toxins, smoke, and airborne particles, ensuring you can survive in environments where the air is no longer safe. Compact and easy to carry, it's designed for those moments when the air itself becomes a threat. Whether caught in a chemical spill or toxic cloud, it offers crucial protection, allowing you to breathe safely until help arrives or conditions improve. Number 3. Solar Charger. A solar charger is a portable power solution that uses sunlight to generate electricity for charging phones, tablets, cameras, or power banks. It works by converting solar energy through photovoltaic panels, usually made of monocrystalline or polycrystalline cells with efficiency rates around 15 to 18%. Many models include USB-A, USB-C, or 12-volt output ports, and some feature a built-in battery to store energy for later use. Compact and often foldable, these chargers are easy to pack for camping, hiking, or emergencies. A charge controller helps regulate voltage to protect devices from overcharging. Some designs also include LED indicators, rugged weather-resistant casings, and hooks or loops for backpack attachment. Charging speed depends on sunlight intensity and panel size. Useful for outdoor activities or off-grid situations, A solar charger offers silent, fuel-free, renewable power, making it a smart backup option for staying connected anytime the sun is shining. Number 2. Ultra Bright Emergency Glow Sticks. It provides reliable, battery-free light through a safe chemical reaction. Activated with a quick snap and shake, they produce a bright glow for 10 to 12 hours in colors like green, red, or blue. Each stick is sealed in a waterproof, weather-resistant plastic tube that's shatterproof and safe to use near flammable materials. Often measuring 6 to 8 inches, they feature lanyard holes for hanging, wearing, or marking gear. Visible from up to a mile away, they are effective for signaling, navigating, or illuminating dark paths. Number 1. Hand-cranked radios. In a world where power is unreliable, a hand-cranked radio becomes essential for survival. This device lets you stay informed by receiving emergency broadcasts without needing batteries or electricity. Simply crank the handle, and you can tune into vital news or weather updates. Lightweight and compact, it's the perfect tool to keep you connected during a crisis, ensuring you don't miss crucial information when everything else fails. It's built for the unexpected. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.